Hello with your national weather forecast as we have a look at conditions heading into tomorrow. That's Wednesday, the 30th of July. First, a look at the synoptic map. And the main weather feature we're still tracking is this low pressure system and troughs across eastern inland parts of the country. It is bringing showers and areas of rain, but start to move towards the coast through the day. Showers are also possible across inland parts of Queensland, but they'll mostly dissipate before reaching the coast. Further south, showers continue to stream onto the Victorian, South Australian and Western Australian coastline, but away from showers, really not much change is expected for the rest of the country. And that's because we still are under the influence of a broad ridge of high pressure across the north and the west of the country. Warm daytime temperatures do continue though across the Gulf and the top end, with cooler southerly winds across Western Australia. Daytime temperatures there remain below average, but we are on an increasing trend through the west. So now state by state look, starting off in Queensland. It won't quite be as cold during the morning with cloud cover. We will see a few showers across southern and central inland areas. They'll start to push towards the coast, but will mostly evaporate before reaching the coast. So for Brisbane and the southeast, only really the slight chance of a shower. Slight chance of a shower also across the tropical north, but otherwise looking at a dry day across the state. Maximum temperatures reaching the low to mid 20s in the west, and then a little bit warmer in the north, reaching the low to mid 30s. For Brisbane, the slight chance of a shower with 24 degrees, warm in Cairns with a top of 30. Now to New South Wales, showers and rain for inland areas that will start to push towards the coast through the morning and tend to areas of rain for Sydney, the Hunter and also the Illawarra. Heaviest rainfall totals are expected along the coast. We could see up to 20 millimetres, 5 to 10 millimetres is possible through the ranges, and snow is possible above about 1,000 metres, but it will be a cold day. Maximum temperatures up to 5 degrees below average, and with colder southerly winds coming through, the feels like temperature will bring it down even further. Just 15 degrees in Sydney with rain, 12 degrees in Canberra with showers in the morning and afternoon. For Victoria, morning fog inland, but then a dry day north of the Divide. A few showers about the coastline, heaviest through Gippsland, up to 5 millimetres is possible through there, 1 to 2 millimetres elsewhere. But south of the Divide into the afternoon, we will start to see that cloud breaking up and afternoon sunshine is possible, including for Melbourne with a top of 14 degrees, remaining quite cool across the north, and we are expecting a cold night to follow with those clear conditions coming later on Wednesday night. For Tasmania, showers about the west coast and also the south coast in the morning. They'll contract to the east coast into the afternoon. Snow flurries are possible above about 1,000 metres in the morning. Then we will start to see those conditions clearing up, and we will see a cold night to come as well. In Hobart, a possible shower with a top of 13 degrees. In South Australia, those southeasterly winds continue to push showers onto the coastline. They won't make it further north than about Port Augusta, and then we will see between 2 to 5 millimetres or so. High fours for Kangaroo Island, but it will be quite a cold day. Just 15 degrees in Adelaide with showers, 11 degrees in Mount Gambier, but dry and a little bit milder across the north of the state. For Western Australia now, we will see morning fog across the southwest, including the Perth Metro, and fog also for the Goldfields. Showers along the coast could push inland of the Euclid into the afternoon, but elsewhere we are looking at a dry and mostly sunny day. Perth a little bit warmer with a top of 18 degrees after a cold start, and a little bit milder as we head up into the Pilbara. Finally, for Northern Australia, a cold start through interior areas, dipping down to 0 degrees across the red centre. We will see a few passing showers across the north of the NT, and warm and dry across the Kimberley. That's your forecast for today. Stay up to date with the latest information and warnings on our website and our app. Follow us on social media, and as always, have a great day.